Well, I mean, I like cycling, and when I go on holidays, I like to, I guess, experience it close hand, and it just seemed a perfect combination of my interest in the animals and the flora, and actually just getting on my bike and, you know, enjoying travelling on a bicycle. The highlights have certainly been the chameleons. It's just so funny to watch them walk across the road, and you know, you're trying to get them across the road because you don't want to get them squished. So that's been a real highlight to actually see the chameleons in the wild. For me, Madagascar, it was a lot more hilly than I thought it was going to be. That's no problem because I like hills, but I think people have got to be a bit flexible in the way that they think about coming to Madagascar and riding. It's hot, it's hilly, it's challenging, but it's really good. It's one of the biggest islands in the world, and it's got unique flora and fauna, and it's just fascinated me for so long, and I've just always wanted to come here.